Powered by National Link.
First, power off the ATM. Then loosen the screws holding the card reader in place. Remove the card reader from the ATM and unscrew the 4 screws that connect the card reader to the bracket. Look for anything stuck or jammed in the card reader. Note: if a card is stuck in the card reader, there is a button under where you insert the card. Pressing the button will release the card. If everything looks good and there is nothing stuck in the card reader, test the card reader by logging into the machine with your master password. Select ATM OP. Select Diagnostic. Then select Card Reader. Once on the card reader testing screen, insert any card. You should hear the card reader click, and the screen should say IC chip OK, or show the brand and type of card. Then remove the card. You should see the card information come up in the tracks. If the screen says IC chip failed, clean the card reader with a card reader cleaner or can of compressed air and test the card reader again. If it still fails after cleaning, the card reader will need to be replaced.